Hi everyone. In this very short video, I want to show you how to do compound interest. So let's say we have like £8,000, which is invested in a bank for 3 years, and you are getting 4% each year, and this is called compound interest. Yeah. So if you want to find the amount of money that will be at the end of the 3 years, you will have to start by finding the multiplier. So what you do 100% plus 4%, and that is equal to 104%. And then change it into the multiplier, which is actually just the decimal number. So divide by 100, 1.04. And then all you have to do now, do 8,000 multiply by 1.04 to the power of 3. And that 3 represents like the number of years. Okay? So the answer will be 8,999.912. Because this is money questions, you have to make sure you write it in the correct money notation. So you have to say 8,999.91. You have to round down because the 2 is less than 5. So that's the correct answer, yeah? Good. We can also do an example about the depreciation. So let's say example 2. Let's say we have like the value of the new car the value of the new car is 18,000 pound, and is depreciated by 15% each year. So each year the value of the car is depreciated or reduced by 15%. So the question is, find, let's do it here, find the value of the car after, let's say, 5 years. Okay, so what we have to do, you need to find also first the multiplier. So you need to start by 100%, but this time it's a depreciation, so you have to do minus 15%, and this is equal to 85% or 0.85 as a multiplier. And then you do 18,000 multiply by your multiplier to the power of the number of years, which is 5. Yeah? And just type this on your calculator. The answer is, let's do the calculation, so 7,986.695. And here you have to be very careful. If you leave your answer like this, you will lose your marks, because it's money problem questions. You have to write it correctly, as I said before, in a correct money notation, and you have to round up or down and leave only 2 digits after the dot. So if you have to round this, you will have to round up, because 5 or more you round up. So that will be 70. Yeah, so that's 2 examples, one about compound interest and one about depreciation, yeah? Okay then, thank you, that's it.